Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by mapping target keywords and the first actionable steps. Pick one primary keyword and two long-tail variants for the post. Configure Blogger with your custom domain and ensure HTTPS is enabled because secure sites rank better. Connect Google Analytics and verify Search Console so you can track impressions and index status. Once done, create a simple URL slug containing the primary keyword and prepare a short outline with headings that match search intent to guide the writing process. Now focus on detailed execution. Craft quality content of 800 to 500 words that satisfies user intent, using clear H1 for the title and H2/H3 for subsections to improve scalability. Make sure the primary keyword appears naturally in the title, within the first 100 words, in the URL slug, and in at least one image alt attribute. Compress images for fast loading and add structured data snippets through the Blogger template to enhance rich result chances. Also include 2-4 internal links to related posts to pass authority. Finish by publishing with a concise meta description and an eye-catching social image. Then submit the URL to Search Console for faster indexing. Promote the post across 3 platforms relevant to your audience and watch CTR, impressions, and rankings over the next 2 to 8 weeks. If performance lags, tweak title tags and meta descriptions, refresh content, and build a few backlinks. If the page isn't indexed, check robots, TXT, canonical tags, and ensure the sitemap is submitted. This single troubleshooting step fixes most.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.